Did you know that in 1931, a scientist received the Nobel Prize for discovering the primary cause of cancer? It was this man, Otto Heinrich Warburg, 1883–1970. Nobel Prize 1931 for his thesis The Primary Cause and Prevention of Cancer. According to the scientist, cancer is the result of the antiphysiological food and lifestyle. Antiphysiological. Why? Because eating antiphysiological, acidifying foods-based diet and sedentary lifestyle creates an environment in our body acidity. The acidity in turn expels oxygen from the cells. He said, "The lack of oxygen and acidosis are two sides of the same coin. When you have one, you have the other. The acidic substances reject oxygen, whereas alkaline substances attract oxygen. In an acidic environment, yes is an environment without oxygen." And stated that, deprive a cell 35% of its oxygen for 48 hours can become cancerous. According to Warburg, all normal cells have an absolute requirement for oxygen, but cancer cells can live without oxygen, a rule without exception. And also, the tissues cancerous are tissues acids, whereas healthy tissues are alkaline. In his book The Metabolism of Tumors, Warburg demonstrated that all forms of cancer are characterized by two basic conditions, acidosis and hypoxia, oxygen deprivation. He also discovered that cancer cells are anaerobic, do not breathe oxygen, and cannot survive in the presence of high levels of oxygen. In contrast, the glucose survive, as long as the environment is free of oxygen. Therefore, the cancer would be nothing more than a defense mechanism that have certain cells of the body to stay alive in acid environment and devoid of oxygen. In summary, healthy cells live in an alkaline environment and oxygen, which allows normal operation. Cancer cells live in an extremely acidic and devoid of oxygen. Before continuing, once finalized the process of digestion, food according to the quality of protein, carbohydrates, fats, minerals, and vitamins that provide creates a condition of acidity or alkalinity of the body. The result